Ishin C+, ayan, 10/10. Ayan, product came wrapped in bubble wraps, which was good. Ayan, intact, sealed for upon opening. Product performance, okay siya since I use this as immunity booster. Ayan, kasi madali akong sipunin. I also noticed visible improvement on my skin texture, which was dull before and I used the product. Ayan, so talagang namang this is our very effective po na immunity booster. Also po, yung ating Ishin C+, nakaka-glow din po siya ng balat. Kaya naman, lagi po namin sinasabi sa inyo na talagang once na nag-take tayo ng glutathione, syempre, sinasabay natin siya ng vitamin C. Pero guys, kung gusto natin, syempre, as is na lang po vitamin C lang, syempre, kung gusto natin magpalakas ng immunity, ayan, meron tayong Rosips, or meron tayong Ishin C+, na Rosips po yung main ingredient. And kahit i-search nyo po yan sa Google, ang Rosips po is more vitamins po siya kaysa sa oranges or sa papaya. Halos 50 times more vitamins po yun. Ayan, you can click our basket, guys, kung gusto nyo i-check out itong ating Ishin C+. At lagi yung tatandaan na pag sinabing glowing skin, syempre, Ishin lang yan.